Recent medical research shows that 7 out of 10 seniors who follow these simple steps to manage type 2 diabetes experience improved quality of life. Welcome to Seniors Health Companion. Today, we're exploring straightforward strategies to help you take control of your health journey. Type 2 diabetes can feel overwhelming, but with compassionate understanding and practical advice, it doesn't have to be. Let's focus on empowering you with the knowledge and confidence to manage this condition effectively. Remember, small changes can lead to big improvements in your overall well-being. Understanding how type 2 diabetes affects your body is crucial. Imagine your body as a car engine. Insulin, the hormone responsible for regulating blood sugar, acts like the engine oil, keeping everything running smoothly. In type 2 diabetes, your body either doesn't produce enough insulin or your cells become resistant to it. This can lead to high blood sugar levels, which over time can damage vital organs. But don't worry. With the right knowledge and habits, you can manage your diabetes effectively and keep your engine purring. Recognizing the signs of type 2 diabetes early can make all the difference. Common symptoms include increased thirst, frequent urination, and fatigue. If you notice these changes, it's important to talk to your healthcare provider. Catching diabetes early can help you and your doctor develop an effective management plan to protect your health. Trust your body and pay attention to the signals it sends you. It knows you best. Let's dive into the importance of nutrition in managing type 2 diabetes. Opt for meals rich in whole grains, leafy greens, and lean proteins. Try to avoid sugary drinks and snacks. Eating balanced meals at regular times helps maintain stable blood sugar levels. Cooking at home. Consider incorporating delicious herbs and spices like cinnamon and turmeric that may help with blood sugar control. Remember, healthy eating doesn't mean giving up flavor. It's about finding enjoyment in nutritious foods. Safe, effective movement plays a vital role in managing type 2 diabetes. Gentle exercises, such as walking or swimming, can enhance insulin sensitivity and reduce blood sugar levels. Aim for at least 30 minutes of activity, 5 days a week. Start slow, listen to your body, and gradually increase intensity. If mobility is an issue, try chair exercises or consult a physical therapist for tailored advice. Remember, every step counts towards a healthier you. Regular medical monitoring is essential for effective diabetes management. Schedule routine checkups with your healthcare provider to keep track of your condition. Regular blood work can help monitor your blood sugar levels, while eye and foot exams can prevent complications. If you experience sudden changes in your health, seek professional care immediately. Partnering with your healthcare team empowers you to make informed decisions and stay in control of your health. Managing type 2 diabetes isn't just about physical health, it impacts mental health and social well-being too. Embrace activities that stimulate the mind and bring joy, like reading or gardening. Engage with social groups to stay connected and motivated. Sharing experiences with others facing similar challenges can offer support and encouragement. Maintaining a positive outlook and engaging in fulfilling activities helps counter stress and boosts overall well-being. In summary, managing type 2 diabetes involves a blend of understanding, nutrition, exercise, medical monitoring, and emotional well-being. You have the power to take meaningful steps that improve your health and quality of life. Start today by setting small, achievable goals. Consult your healthcare provider for personalized advice and resources. Remember, you are not alone on this journey. Seniors Health Companion is here to support you every step of the way.